Good afternoon, sir. So today's topic is a string. A string in a Java. That is a string is a basically an object that represents the sequence of a character. Suppose like a character ch is equal to Java, then string s is equal to new string. That is the syntax of a string. Then Java string provides a lots of a method to perform operations such as compare, split, concate, length, equals, compare to, intern, substring. That is the methods provided in a Java. Then Java string has a Java string implements the three Java string class implements the serializable char sequence and comparable that implements the Java class. Char sequence interface. The char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of sequence of a character, and it has a three classes like a string buffer and string builder. Then a class implements it means we can create a string by Java using the three classes. So that is a string buffer and string builder. The Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. So first we create a one string, like a string s1 is equal to Amruta. It cannot be changed. That is a string immutable. And then string is also a represent a character. It is a sequence of a character, but in a Java, string is an object that represent the sequence of a character. Then Java language string class is used to create a string object. Then we discuss how to create a string. There are two ways to create a string. By using string literal, and second by using new keyword. So string literal, Java string is created by the string literal, means string s1 is equal to Amruta and string s2 is equal to Amruta. It does not create a new instance, because it already created s1 is equal to Amruta. Then second is by using a new keyword, like string s is syntax is a string s is equal to new string welcome. That is the using the new keyword. Like for example, suppose we create one class, public class string, then main method. So string s1 is equal to Amruta. Then here create a string by Java using string literal. Then character ch is equal to Java, and then string s2 is equal to new string character. That is a converting character array to string. And then string s3 is equal to Puja, creating a Java string by using a new keyword. So in CISO, s1, s2, s3. So in that, first print the Java, first print the Amruta, then print Java, and then print Puja. First string is a string s1 is equal to Amruta. That is a creating string by using literal keyword. Literal, and then string s2. In that we write a character array, that is a Java. Then string s2 is equal to new string ch, that is a converting char array by string. That is then print the Java. And third string s3 is equal to, we give the Puja, so creating Java using the new keyword, like a string s3 is equal to new string Puja. That is the output of the project. Then methods. So too many methods are used in a Java, like a char array at index. So it methods return char value for it, returns the char value for the particular index. Then inter length, so it returns the length, it returns string length. Suppose string s1 is equal to Amruta, return the 6. Then length, then compare. So it is a compare the two object. Then split the string. Let by using split the string. Then empty means it checks the string is empty or not. Then string replace old character and new character. It replace all occurrence of a specified value, like old character and new character. Then index int index c character, it returns the specified char value. Thank you.